Hello student, welcome to Make Study official YouTube channel. In this video we are going to see about the latest recruitment about Indira Gandhi Delhi Technical University, that is DTU, having a recruitment of a different teaching post and with a basic salary of 57,700. All the basic details which you require while filling up the form, all these details we will discuss in this video. So you need to watch at the end of the video so that you will get all the information before filling the form. So let's begin with that. Recently Indira Gandhi Delhi Technical University recruitment has been released now, and they have published the basic advertisement in newspaper, and they have also published on his official websites. You need to just go over there and check the notification on the description box. I'll just put it over there, you just go. So they have released the 3 type of post in category wise. Group A post, they have released different branch like information, computer science engineering, electronic and communication, mechanical and automation engineering, English and architecture planning. We need to focus on mechanical and other engineering branches only. So for the mechanical and automobile, there are total 1 unreserved post for SC1, and their total number of posts is only 2. For the post of the professor, the pay scale range was 1,44,200 to like that 2,18,000, something like that. So you need to, as per the 7th UGC and CPC Commission, so you need to just check the post whichever is applicable for the respective post. So going with the next one, and for the associate post, they have mentioned the pay scale was 1,31,000 to 2,17,000 based on a level 13 of a government UGC process. Here they have also released the notification of different branches depending on the post or vacancy, but for the mechanical, here the total number of vacancy are again 2. If you moving ahead with the assistant professor, then the basic salary was, these posts was 57,700 rupees, and this is based on a level 10. And remember that all these posts minimum requirement for MTech. If you have already completed the MTech, then you will eligible to apply these posts. For the first 2, there are some experience required, or might be you have completed the PhD. Either or case is applicable before applying to that. For this, you need to minimum a master's degree depending on the discipline which you have opted for that. For assistant professor, there are total 5 branches are eligible, and here there is no mechanical engineering posts are there. Still I have attached it because few of the member are not related to mechanical branch, so that's why I have added it. But for the mechanical, there are total 2 posts. This is the post for the professor and post for the associate professor. And for the assistant professor, mechanical have not any vacancy, and after that they have mentioned like other non-technical posts as well, which they have mentioned like controller of examination, deputy registrar, assistant registrar and assistant controller of examination, and number of posts are 1121 like that. And they have mentioned the pay scale and all those things depending on the 7th pay CPC. The last date of filling these online application form are 4th of October till 12 PM, and candidate need to fill the form through online application and also send the printout of online application form along with the desired document with the additional registrar mentioned with the address over here. And if you want have any details, if you have any doubt, then you can also reach with the official website. And if you want any suggestions to our end, then do comment below and also mention on feedback over there. Thanks for watching.